Production is done. There are three things that make a watch Swiss. One is that it must have a Swiss movement. जो machine इसके अंदर होती है, that should be a Swiss movement. The final assembly of the watch should take place in Switzerland, and it should be quality controlled in Switzerland. Now you know that quality control is one of those things that differentiates a brand, one brand from the other, a good one from a bad one. Because these days there are a lot of brands, there are a lot of international brands that are wholly made in China. ये घड़ियों में तो फिर भी आपको movement वगैरह locally बनाना पड़ता है Switzerland में. But you can have two brands from the same factory probably producing, let's say, computers with two different qualities, and the reason is quality control. An American company or a European company will have its own quality control standards over there, and they will not accept anything that doesn't meet that. It's the same with watches. So the final quality control takes place in Switzerland. The components are sourced. For you or for a normal customer, a watch is a stainless steel watch. ये stainless steel मेरी हाथ में भी है, अगर कोई 200 रुपए की घड़ी पहना उसके हाथ में भी stainless steel है. But there is a difference. There is a quality of stainless steel. I'm not a technical person, but for example, I am told 316L is what Tissot uses, which is a higher grade of stainless steel because it's an alloy, it's a mix.
I see. So it is
things like that.
Quality plays a very important
So
part in the manufacturing.
that's why there is the Swiss quality. There is a difference.
Okay. नाज़रीन, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं और फिर हम इस ब्रांड के बारे में मजीद बात करते हैं और इस मार्केट के बारे में भी जरा हम जानेंगे कि कितना कंपटीशन है, क्या है. सो प्लीज स्टे विद अस एंड वील कम बैक. वेलकम बैक नाजरीन. आमिर, एक ओवरव्यू तो हमने ले लिया रोमान से कि भाई क्या है वॉच इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल दैट, बट नाउ पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ब्रांड टिसो. वैसे टिसो का प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी जरा डिफिकल्ट है. आई कॉल इट टिसो, बट आप कुछ बता रहे थे कि फ्रेंच जो कहते हैं वो क्या कहते हैं?
No, the French pronunciation is Tissot.
अच्छा. Amir, tell me, you're a brand manager, you're working on this brand. If I want to buy a watch, why should I buy a Tissot? What have you done to improve my share of the mind about the brand name? Or is it the price that is attractive? मैं क्यों Tissot खरीदूं? मेरे पास तो choices बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Do you have an answer for that?
Yes, absolutely. Like Mr. Ruman said, Tissot is known for quality watches. It's a Swiss-made quality watch, and it's premium quality watch at an affordable range. They call it gold quality, gold value at silver price.
Okay.
So yes, that it is. It is a premium watch.
इसका प्राइस रेंज कितना है?
प्राइस रेंज जी स्टार्ट करता है फ्रॉम 9,000. It starts at 9,000 and goes up till 150, 200,000 rupees.
But we would count the effective range to be between 9 and 25, 30. That's where you sell. 150, वो एक आध gold watch अगर आपकी आ गई तो that takes the price range high. But the real range, the core range which you sell is that much.
And ये जो आपका जो है affiliation with Swatch, and I don't want to talk about Swatch because वो तो एक नई generation की watch थी. तो इससे लगता है ऐसा है कि engineering wise there is some kind of a superiority in your brand, यानी in the maybe the shape or the size or the weight, क्योंकि हर watch हर किस्म के brand में मुख्तलिफ shapes और sizes हैं और preferences हैं लोगों के. तो is there any particular shape that is preferred of Tissot या
actually Tissot जो है, they pride themselves as being pioneers. They have come up, they've innovated a lot. They've come up with firsts in watches. For instance, they made the first plastic watch, the first wood watch, the first anti-magnetic watch, and the world's first touch screen watch, which is called the T-Touch. So basically, they've made something.
Tissot का brand है?
जी, Tissot.
Touch brand.
Touch brand.
Yeah,
it's got basic functions like an altimeter and barometer, a thermometer.
आपको बड़ा सॉरी आपकी बात काट रहा हूँ, आपको ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एक फैक्ट मैं बताऊँ कि मैं खुद भी टिसो की वॉच पहन रहा हूँ जो कि मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे बर्थडे पे खरीद के दिया.
Fantastic.
तो you know it just so happens that माशाल्लाह you're sitting here.
You should have had your wife also here. What made her buy? It wasn't Ruman.
I tell you the influence that she had, which I later asked, कि तुमने ये क्यों खरीदा, कुछ और खरीद लेती. उसने कहा no, I like the quality and I like the price. So the price range is लेकिन अब ये बताइए आमिर कि आपके इस मार्केट में तो देयर आर सो मेनी अदर ब्रांड्स व्हिच आर अवेलेबल एट डिफरेंट प्राइसेस एंड ऑल दैट, और आई एम सॉरी बट दिस इंडस्ट्री इज अ लिटिल करप्ट इन द सेंस के नंबर 2 भी काफी है और ये है वो है.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू मैनेज योर बिजनेस इन दिस काइंड ऑफ
बेसिकली देयर आर टू मेन इश्यूज एज यू माइट कॉल इट दैट वी फेस. एक तो हो जाता है जी फेक्स का, और एक हो जाता है स्मगल्ड गुड्स का. यू सी नाउ फेक्स आर नॉट really an issue for us. Smuggled, yes, to a certain extent, but again, जैसे मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, we counter it by being authenticity जो होती है वॉच की. हमारे यहाँ से अगर आप घड़ी लेंगे, obviously it's an authentic watch. We back it with a 2-year warranty, and it's an international warranty.
Do you give any training to your dealers and how to talk to the customers वगैरह देते हैं?
Yes, we do.
You do.
जी.
Whether they learn is another issue.
Programs हो जाते हैं. We do try to we take the initiative and try to get the TISO values into them. And the best part जो करना चाहते हैं कि we have to be honest with the customer. अगर हमारे अपने company operated outlets पे भी जाएं तो we very honest, we do not oversell. मतलब
ये बताएं कि जैसे अमेरिका में या कोई दूसरी कंट्रीज में और यहाँ भी आजकल तो फ्रेंचाइजेस खुल गए हैं, जब भी आप फ्रेंचाइज देते हैं या डीलरशिप देते हैं तो इज देयर एनी प्रेफरेंस कि भाई आपकी दुकान यहाँ होनी चाहिए, यहाँ होनी चाहिए, ट्रैफिक इतनी होनी चाहिए, और you don't have any choice, you just give a dealership based on the past performance or the...
Yeah, you generally do that. I mean, it's not that segmented, it's not that professional a segment that you can actually dictate those terms, because there are very few new shops that are opening up. Basically in the trade what exists is a lot of old people who have been managing shops for generations. So if you go down Sadar, I think in the past 15 years, maybe 2 shops or 3 shops would have opened. Even that might be too large a number, if I'm not mistaken. But those shops always existed. Now, amongst those, you also don't want to over-distribute. So, amongst those, you need to just be a little selective and find the better ones.
ये बताओ कि 60 dealers you said, very easy to manage,
yeah,
very easy to keep control on. लेकिन क्या आपको इसके अंदर कोई खास एडवांटेज मिलता है कि जो आप अपना इमेज प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहते हैं वो इनके थ्रू हो सकता है, या डू दे हेल्प यू, क्या आप उनको पार्टनर्स के तौर पे कंसिडर करते हैं? डू दे शेयर इन योर एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड प्रमोशनल एक्सपेंसेस, और दे आर जस्ट योर डीलर्स, दे गेट देयर कमीशन एंड दे सेल योर वॉचेस? इसके बारे में जरा कुछ आमिर अगर तफसील आप बताएं या
नहीं, Amir go ahead. More about the point of sale.
Yeah, like point of sales, maybe like Mr. Ruman said कि we were the first to include them into our advertising campaign. उनको उनमें डाला. आज से पहले कभी इससे पहले नहीं करता था हमारे कंपनी से पहले. So that got little made them trust us little. So we could ask them कि भाई हम आपके साथ ये कर रहे हैं, तो जरा give and take वाला वो हो जाता है. प्लस उसके अलावा we do invest a lot in their outlets. जैसे ये है कि कुछ specialized एक single brand stores बहुत कम है यहाँ पे, multi brand है, they've got other watch brands with them also. What we do is we take a lot of pain in like going to their outlets, seeing the space over there, and we've got what we call our SIS, shop in shop concepts. तो डिज़ाइन होता है, वी इम्पोर्ट देम फ्रॉम स्विट्जरलैंड, वी मेक देम उधर बनाते, सो विच मेक्स आवर ब्रांड स्टैंड आउट. So when a person walks into that particular dealership, they may have a variety of like 5 to 6 or even 10 brands in that shop. But what makes us different is that we invest that money into their shop, into their dealership. Advertising में भी उनका नाम डाल देते हैं. So we do everything which pushes the sale towards their favor. उनको एक boost मिलता है, उनकी शॉप को एक boost मिलता है.
आप facilitate करते हैं obviously, तो वो they are more prone towards you.
Absolutely.
लेकिन